Hi everyone, I'm in Switzerland and I managed to find a packet of Cheetos Crunchy and Takkis-Volcano, and today I'm gonna try the Takkis. And this is the most spiciest flavor in the world, and I also have water. So I'm gonna be trying Cheetos. Takkis. Okay, so I have it open. Let's see what they look like, and then we'll be taking a bite. It's really good. It's really good. Yeah, really good. So guys, next I'm gonna make another video where I'm trying Cheetos, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you subscribe to my channel. Bye.